habits of highly productive people.
So it's applicable in service industries where this production.
Yeah. So our definition of productivity is very narrow, and we only think about producing more with less good. I mean, producing more goods with less efforts. But that becomes very narrow in modern age, especially in information age. Okay. So this is a picture of a magnifying glass and sun. How many of you have tried this experiment when you were younger or in school? Everyone? So what does it tell you?
Channelizing the energy.
High reflection
Very
rate.
nice. When you focus your energies, it is powerful. Otherwise, normal sunlight doesn't do much, right? Okay. And have you heard of laser?
Yes.
And what is a laser? Laser also is very highly channelized and focused light. Some of you are in production. Traditional cutting has been replaced with laser cutting now.
Yeah.
So lasers are so powerful that they can cut into steel, metal, anything else also. So that brings us to our first habit, which is focus on the few important areas. Focus on few important areas. So our higher level goals, which is 3 to 5 years, 10 years goals, life goals, we should have no more than 3 to 5, right? Has anyone made New Year's resolution? નવું વર્ષ આવે એટલે નવા પ્રણ લઈએ આપણે, right? How long does it last, the New Year's resolution? I'm going to lose 5 kilos, or I'm going to study more, I'll complete my MBA. You can fill in the list, right? How long does it last?
5 days.
7 days gone. So I thought I was alone, right? Yeah. Okay. So the problem is when you focus on too many things. Have you heard of a saying? It's English saying. It says, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." What does it mean? If you keep changing places, then no grass will grow on you, right? So if you keep changing your focus, not much will happen. So worldwide studies have been done that when you have only 3 to 5 goals, higher level goals, whether it is individual, company, department, then the chances of achieving those goals are 80 to 90%. How much? 80 to 90%. So let's increase this number from 3 to 5 to about 8 to 10. What is your idea? What is your opinion that the chances would increase of achieving them, percentage, or they would decrease? Decrease. So what is your guess? 10 goals achieve करना हो तो क्या percentage होगा success rate का? 50-60 is very correct. And suppose we increase that to 15 to 20 goals, what do you think would happen?
Again will be
25%?
Some will not even see.
10%. The statistics show that 10%. But we all have a habit of trying to. Most of you know Gujarati, right? Kodio kitlo bharwano? Right. But in information age, we are like a child in a chocolate store, right? I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, I want to do that, right? And what happens? We end up chewing, putting in our mouth more than we can chew. Do you agree, disagree?
Agree.
Okay, good. So 3 to 5 higher level goals, no more. We talked about magnifying glass and laser. So the problem is there are too many choices and it makes it difficult, right? Are there too many choices in information age? Yes, no?
Yes.
I go to a restaurant, let's say Woodlands. Has anyone been to that restaurant, Woodlands?
Yes.
No? Yes? Have you seen the menu? How many pages it is? Anyone? 20-25 pages is the menu. So I have huge decisions to make. पहले Chinese खाना है या पंजाबी? Snacks करना है या dinner? कौन सा drink order करना है? So do you have difficulty making choices when you go to a restaurant or no?
Yes.
Yes, right. Why? Because there are too many choices and you get overwhelmed, right? And then finally I decide that I'm going to eat Punjabi and I'm going to order a paneer sabji. So I'll make my life easier. And I turn the page and there are 60 varieties of paneer sabjis, right? So welcome to my world. So that is one of the things that causes trouble. How about TV? Sometimes I go home and half an hour goes in trying to decide which channel I'm supposed to watch. Does it ever happen to you?
Yes.
The more choices you have, the more confusion it is, and it creates, yes or no? And it's not about just that. It's about career, it's about marketing, it's about initiatives you can take as an individual, it's about family time you can spend. There are multiple choices. You have so many choices of entertainment, career, how to increase your sales, and so on and so forth. So it makes it difficult for you to decide because you're always fearing that are you making the right decision, yes or no. So that is one of the reasons. And the biggest problem is, if you don't know where north is, how can you tell which direction you are going, right? So this is before navigation. The people who used to go to sea for years, right? Columbus, and since then, what did they used to use for navigation? Stars and compass, right? So if you don't know where the north is, can you reach your destination? No. If you don't know what your higher level goals are, how can you know that whether you are supposed to do a certain activity or you are not supposed to do a certain activity? So focus on 3 to 5 important areas, and that is habit number 1. Thank you.